dear students. If you remember, we talked about standards. What is standardization? About quality, the whole things. And today, we're gonna look for statistical, process, and control. After completing this chapter, you'll be able to explain the process approach in quality management, explain 7 basic quality tools and analysis process for continuous quality improvement, define the concepts of design of experiments for process optimization, explain the analysis process with control charts, and explain process capability. At the end of it, you could explain failure mode and effect analysis as a risk identification method. Before we talk about process approach, we need to know what is process. Process is a series of actions that you take in order to achieve a result, whatever result, and has 5 main features. The first one, definability, which is a determination of the main elements of activities. Businesses, they should determine what they are doing, what their facilities, what the operation. It has to define. The second one, measurability. It's the future of process to be monitored with performance criteria. I have to find out the job is doing in the right way or not. Is it effective or not? Is it efficient or not? I have to control as a manager. The third one, repeatability, is the ability to output that is formed as a result of processing the inputs that active the process to meet customer needs and requirements continuously. If you remember, we said quality is what is customer want. So that explains this one. Customer needs and requirements. Am I doing the right things as a business? Am I giving the right things, whatever they need as a customer, whatever they require from me? Controllability. Okay, I gave job, I'm doing everything, but I have to control the performance of processes. If they are not performing, if they're doing the things in a wrong way, I have to take correct actions if it's necessary. That's what is explained. Value-added capability have a positive effect on the quality of the output process. So it has some relationship with satisfaction of customer. If I put value-added things to my product or services, it means my customer buy from me. It means my customer will satisfy from it. It's an important term, and processes has to have this feature too. The process is classified in 3 main groups. Main process, the first one, main process, start directly on demand from the external customers of the organization and provide a product or services to the external customers. The second one, management processes, planning the activities of all processes in line with the organization's aims, objectives, regularly reviewing and reporting the performance indicators related to them. Support processes, processes that consist of different areas of expertise ensure the most appropriate use of resources of the company. The benefits of the management processes, the process, sub-processes, and activities are defined as process map and instructions. Process performance indicators are defined, measured, and reviewed periodically. So we can see the problems or barriers easily. The relationships and interactions of the process are defined, so it can be planned more accurately. 7 basic quality tools for customer satisfaction. We have to meet some specifications as a business. So that's why we have to find out, are we doing the things in quality or not? We have to detect, and after detection we have to reduce some problems. For that processes we use as a business histogram, check sheets, priority chart, cause and effect diagram, box plot, scatter diagram, and control chart. Histogram is a graphical presentation of a data. So it gives us simple maximum and minimum data to distribution about what's going on. It's easy to show. Check sheet data is a data collection tool. Just the checklist design is frequency detect, indicate the place of detect. Priority chart is used for rank of causes quality problems. Cause and effect diagram is also known the fishbone. Investigate the potential and root causes. Scatter diagram shows the relationship between two variables graphically without any graphical calculation. Box plot shows visual impression about a data set where the median, minimum, and maximum values. About the quality of products optimization, there are some advantages about experiments. Experiments allows set up direct comparison between the treatments and the interest. We can design experiments to minimize any bias in the comparison. So we can design experiments so that error in the comparison is small. Most important where control of experiments, and having that controls allows us make stronger inferences about the nature of differences. Statical process control is a methodology that collects data from process, analyzes with several tools, and control process for improving quality products and services. Elements of statical process control program: management leadership, team approach, education of employees, emphasis of reducing variability, measuring success in quantity, and mechanism for communicating successful results. Failure mode and effects analysis is a specific methodology, evaluate a system, design processes of service for possible ways in which failures can occur. There are 3 elements. Occurrence is the frequency of known or potential failures. Severity is the effects of failure on product and services. Detection is the ability of detecting the failures. In this chapter, we explain the process approach in quality management, explain 7 basic quality tools and analysis processes, define the concepts of design of experiments for process optimization, explain the analysis processes with control charts, and at the end of it explain mode and effect analysis as a risk identification method. See you in the next chapter.